What's up, Jess?
Stop.
Hi, Jess. Say hi to the YouTube familia. I haven't seen you for a while.
What's this, girl?
Say hi to the YouTube familia. Oh! Look at Jess rocking her Burberry sunglasses. But what's up, guys? It's your boy Robert here. Hope you guys are having a great day. We're over here at Monuments. And you know what, guys? I'm going to fly the drone again. Just practice, because you know what? Look at this. Wide open space, right, guys? Come on, get out, guys. Come on. Come on, guys. Wide open space. Look at that, guys. Ooh, it's country. Look at those coconut trees. So my brother came here first. He's doing his walk. But this place is called Monuments because there is a monument here. Right there. Look at that. And we like it because it's country. It's like full on country. And Jess got the bread. Some chicken action. Alright. I don't see any chickens though, Jess. Where are they? Jess, where's the chickens? They're gonna come? Yeah, they'll come. They'll come. Alright, guys. So, like I said, I got the drone. I'm gonna fly it. Liza, you wanna do some camera work? You wanna do some camera work? Look at Eliza there with her long socks. Over there. Watch out the coconuts. It's gonna hit you guys on the head. But yeah, guys, it is such a beautiful day. Totally a beautiful day. Look at the sky. There's hardly a cloud in the sky, guys. There's one right over there. But besides that, look at that. Mr. Moon peeking over there. So yeah, I'm gonna get the drone ready.